Hi everybody, my name is Nicole Boyle, and this is going to be the third class that I've taken for my online MSW. Some background that I have related to research is that I've taken a few courses during my undergraduate studies related to research. My undergraduate degree is in history and education, so I've taken a few courses related to historical research, not so much research in the social work field. But what I'm most looking forward to is doing the group project. I definitely think that doing research, completing research is more fun while you do it as a group. So that's what I'm looking forward to. When I did my research as an undergrad, I did it all by myself. So I think it'll be more fun to have other people's perspectives and do it collaboratively with each other. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing the group project with my group members, and I'm excited to be learning alongside of all of you for the next 7 weeks. Thank you.